This is Lionel Messi, and if you don't live under a rock, you probably saw Messi and his Argentinian teammates win the freaking World Cup a few days ago. And Messi, like myself, is a freaking god of a soccer player. And as one of the best players on the planet, also like myself, you earn a pretty penny. As the highest paid athlete on the planet, making around $8,790 an hour, you can drive the highest trimmed Toyota Camry available, and much, much more. Like the first car in Messi's collection. First up is the Pagani Zonda Tricolore, an Italian supercar powered by a 7.3-liter V12 engine, pumping out 670 horsepower and 575 foot-pounds of torque. A beast that can hit 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds. The price? Well, if you're poor, it's kind of hard to find out, actually, but it's anywhere in the ballpark of 1.5 to 6 million bucks. I'm not sure how this is even possible, but the next car in his collection is even more expensive. That's because it's a 1957 Ferrari 335S Spider Scaglietti, the most expensive car in Messi's collection. Messi purchased this car at auction for a staggering $36 million. And who came in second place at that auction? None other than Cristiano Ronaldo. Messi bought this car in 2016 and denied speculations of his purchase by posting on Instagram a picture of him holding up a toy car with the caption, "My new car." Real shocker here, but that's not the only Ferrari in his collection. Except this one seems like chump change compared to the last two cars we talked about. It's a Ferrari F430 Spider, powered by a 4.3-liter V8, producing 490 horsepower and 340 foot-pounds of torque. The convertible supercar can hit 60 miles per hour in around 4 seconds. And a bargain, absolute bargain at around $100,000 to $150,000. The next exotic in his collection just might be the classiest one. And it's definitely not the cheapest one, costing Messi around $650,000. It's the gullwing-doored Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG, a German supercar that can hit a top speed of 201 miles an hour thanks to a 6.2-liter V8 pumping out 563 horsepower and 479 foot-pounds of torque. And now we're getting back into the Italian cars. I see a theme here. Messi is often seen using his Maserati Gran Turismo MC Stradale whenever he's at his home in Argentina. This Maserati has a 4.7-liter V8 engine that produces 444 brake horsepower and 376 foot-pounds of torque. Truly another bargain at about $250 grand. And really, that's pretty much obsolete money when between May 2021 and May 2022, you take home around $130 million. What's your favorite car in Messi's collection? Let me know it down in the comments below. Me, I'm probably taking the Pagani. Or maybe the Scaglietti. I don't know. How on earth are you supposed to pick? Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy motoring.